We have very key economic indicators coming out just next week. This could shift the stock market lower significantly. You may recall last February when Walmart printed their earnings report, they gave a forward guidance that was less than rosy. This was mid-February. That was the peak in the stock market. Walmart basically said that the economy was slowing down, that the consumer was tightening their belt, and they lowered their guidance. The very next day, we got consumer confidence coming out of University of Michigan. Since that time, University of Michigan sentiment has been declining every single month. Next week, we get Walmart earnings, and the very next day, just like we did in February, we get University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. Now, here's the key thing. This reading we get next week is for April once we got tariffs. Now, the reports we're getting so far is that the consumer is tightening their belt significantly, and they're very unconfident about the future. Next week's reports could rattle the stock market significantly. If we get Walmart reporting lower guidance like they did in February, to the point where they're starting to say the words bare shelves, and then we get University of Michigan consumer sentiment coming in stating that the consumer is below the levels they've already reported, the stock market will send downward. Make certain to follow along. I've put together another Substack newsletter on these specific items. You'll want to cruise over to my Substack and get that newsletter and stay informed.